Hi there, Graham Smith from ALEC, just talking about the learning outcomes and what kind of evidence we require for assessment purposes for Section 1 of the NCAL Vocational. So first of all, this section is really a kind of a described knowledge of section, and one of the things we're looking for is a description of at least 2 current initiatives. So let me just write that down. Two current initiatives relating to literacy and numeracy, and these can be national, regional, local, TEC funded or otherwise. So 2 of those, please. I'll just fill that in. Okay. The other thing we need is some definitions from you describing adult literacy and numeracy, and these need to be definitions that are currently in use in New Zealand. So just put that on here as well. Definitions, great. Now we need definitions for one for literacy, one for numeracy, one for embedded literacy and numeracy, and another one for Maori literacy and numeracy. Alright, a couple of other things. We also need to hear you discuss reasons for low adult literacy numeracy levels in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So let me just put that on here. Reasons. So 2 reasons why we have low literacy and numeracy levels, and with your analysis and comments on this. And these might relate to factors such as education, ethnicity, immigration, it could be family or socioeconomic factors, or other things that are relevant to you. Also, we need to hear you or see you discuss the impact of low adult literacy and numeracy levels in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So let me just put that on as well. Okay, impact, and we need at least 2 reasons here as well, plus your analysis and comments. So often people talk about productivity. That's a good one, but there's other things as well. Could be health and safety, could be wastage, could be staff turnover, communication, customer satisfaction, accidents, other limited, lifestyle choices and so on. So anything that's relevant to you in terms of the impact of low adult literacy and numeracy. And one other thing, we need to hear you talk about a couple of different resources. Now, resources from our side can mean organisations, and these can be specialist organisations that are involved with literacy and numeracy in New Zealand, but resources can also mean materials. Where's my T gone? There we go. So at least 2 resources, at least 2 impacts for literacy and numeracy, 2 reasons why we have this issue around low levels of literacy and numeracy, and the 4 definitions and a couple of initiatives here. Now this is the least that you need to be able to do. You can always talk about more than any of this. For some people you might have existing evidence that you can use. For others it just might be simpler to do our Task 1 assessment, which is a 1500 word report. I'll talk about that separately. Thank you.